Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It is about 7 in the morning. It is 50 degrees, and we today are going to be hiking Sakatah Lake State Park, Minnesota. It is just after sunrise. Just getting started. We are going to be going on the Hidden Pond Trail. This trail is about 4 miles long. A loop. It's about the only trail at this park. This is a very small state park. Located near Faribault, Minnesota. The fall colors are beautiful. Not a cloud in the sky. I was kind of hoping we'd get some view of the sunrise, but not yet. So, Sakatah is a Dakota word for singing hills. Sakatah Lake, which we'll see later, is just a widened area of the Cannon River. And the state park here was established in 1963. We are at the Hidden Pond. I don't know if you can really see this, but yeah, it's kind of really tucked away in the woods. There's a small opening here where you can get to it. Over this giant tree. Hidden Pond, everybody. Okay, so I realized the oak tree trail here. First of all, I didn't see a single oak tree. That's not actually the way I want to go. That cuts through the middle of the park. I want to go by the lake. So we're going to take a little road walk down here a little ways, down to the Wapakute Trail, which should be right next to the lake. Here we go, we have the Sakatah Singing Hills State Trail. It connects the cities of Faribault and Mankato. Fully and nicely paved bike trail. Passes through the state park here. Alrighty folks, here we go. This is what I'm talking about. this is amazing. Fish are jumping. The colors are beautiful. I'm only about a mile in. This trail now continues along the shoreline here for a little ways. Just awesome. Well, this place has working drinking fountains. I'm impressed. It's really nice walking along the shoreline here. This looks like a tree made for climbing. Big knobbers on it. This is the end of the Wakapete Trail. And now we're cutting over and joining up with the Oak Tree Trail again. Look at those fall colors over there. Just beautiful. Reached the end of the Oak Tree Trail, and now we're going to go do the Big Woods Loop. I just recently did a video from Big Woods State Park. So technically that's the end of the Oak Tree Trail, and we're getting off here on the Sumac Trail. Got about a half mile left. Alright, we are back. Hidden Pond Trail. We just came out of the Sumac Trail. Back of the parking lot. This is a nice, beautiful place. Haven't seen a single person here. My car is still the only one in the parking lot. Nice and quiet. It is a weekday. It is now about 9:30. So it took me about 2 hours and 15 minutes to do 4.1 miles. I do a lot of lollygagging, plus going back and forth for the camera. But this is a beautiful day. Clear blue sky, 50 degrees. It's warming up now. It was 50 when I started. But yeah, it's warming up now. It's definitely time to take this jacket off. Oh, it was a beautiful day though. I had a great time here. The trails here are nice and easy, not rugged, not a lot of rocks or roots or anything. Many of them are very wide, double wide paths. Yeah, it's just a great place, especially because there's nobody here. It's so quiet. There's a lot of traffic noise. There's a highway nearby, so traffic noise was constant. Other than that, it's a beautiful place. The lake was great. I should have brought my fishing pole, done some fishing. But, yeah, I had fun. Thanks everyone for coming with me, and check me out next week on Happy Trail Backpacking.